Okay, hurry. Hey, it's Rachel. We're gonna do something really fun. One more thing. We've already had Miles balls and Sprite and chocolate chips and this stuff and this green stuff. And now we're gonna try crouton. You'll see what it looks like in a minute. Why'd you put your spoon in here with it? What? What's in my hand? Okay, now it's time for Zoe to try it. Even with the spoon. Okay, where's this side from? Oh, no. Okay, here you go. One more bite so we can zoom in. Alright. Go. You have to get some of this stuff. Now let me see your face when I do this. Okay, let me do it then. Let me see your face. Just don't look at this. Open your mouth. Come closer to it so you don't explode it. Come closer to the ball. I'll be just Mom watch it and you I'll be Annie M watch it too. And Grams. If you do it. Please. Hey Bob. Look at that. It's so good. Come on, it's really good. Come on. Just 1, 2, 3. That's why I didn't come That's why I didn't come closer to the ball. Okay, let's go closer to the ball. I can't see it anymore. Okay. Come on. Just once. Grams will love you forever and ever. I will love you forever and ever, and I will always pray for you ever and ever. Come on, Talia did it. If Talia can do it, you can do it. And you have to swallow it. You can take a drink of that right after. So you don't have to taste it. Here you go. Hurry up. Just once. Please. Oh, this one! But you have to use this one, please. Here, use this. You can use your spoon to take this bite. Ha! Yours is poisoned now. Look what I did to hers. I destroyed it. Please, just one bite. You don't have to take the croutons or meatballs. What's this? Come on! I'll do it if you do it.
You do it first.
Okay.
Wait, I'll do it first.
Okay, you can do it first. I don't want to do this first. Can't tell who I
You will get it done.
Swallow it. Sorry. Let me see it. Swallow it. Now go get a paper towel before we explode. And then I'll do it when you come back. It's disgusting, isn't it?
Okay, get ready to do it.
Okay, let's do this.
Here, let me
I can hold it.
I'm gonna hold this one more. Lieutenant's not there.
Okay, you hold it so I can hold my nose. Hold it and make it towards me. But don't touch any buttons.
Yeah, my name's Zoe.
They know you.
No,
Zoe.
no,
They already
my
know
name's
you.
Zoe. And
Again, I'm turning it off.
no,
Keep doing it. And show me that me, Zoe.
hello, my name's Zoe.
Zoe, they already know you.
Okay,
Don't talk. Shush.
she's gonna take a really big bite.
Oh, no.
Here you are. Just do it. Do it, do it, do it.